Buying your first home can feel like an overwhelming process. Mortgage terms, insurance, inspections, down payments, and advice coming from every direction. In this video, I'm going to simplify it for you. You'll learn 6 key concepts every buyer should understand before making an offer, from your true monthly cost to how your lender and agent can make or break your deal. Let's get right into it. Number 1, your true monthly cost. You've likely heard the term PITI. It stands for Principal, Interest, Taxes, and Insurance. This is the core of your monthly mortgage payment, but it's important that you also budget for a fifth expense, M for maintenance. A common rule of thumb to determine how much to budget for maintenance is the 1% rule. For a $400,000 home, you'd be setting aside $4,000 a year for repairs and large ticket replacements, such as your roof, HVAC, hot water heater, and appliances. The important thing is that you're setting aside money for these expenses and not caught off guard. Now that you understand the full picture of your monthly costs and have rule of thumb for budgeting for maintenance, let's take a look at your down payment options and how different choices can help get you into your home sooner. Number 2, how much do you really need to put down? A common question many buyers start with is, do I really need to put 20% down? The short answer is no. While 20% down is an excellent goal because it helps you avoid PMI, we'll talk about what that is in a minute, it's not the only path to home ownership. You can get an FHA loan with as little as 3.5% down or a conventional loan with as little as 3% down. There is a trade-off though. Whenever you put down less than 20%, you pay an extra monthly fee called PMI, or private mortgage insurance. So if you can afford to put down 20%, it makes sense to do so. And if you can't, these other loan products would be a good fit to get you in the home sooner. Now that you know more about your down payment options, the next step is making sure that your offer is as strong as competitive as possible. And this is where the pre-qualification and pre-approval come in. Number 3, how to prove you're a serious buyer before making an offer. So let's start by defining 2 important terms, the pre-qualification and the pre-approval. And no, they're not interchangeable. A pre-qualification is a quick estimate based on information you provide to your lender without any verification on the lender's part. A pre-approval is a much more reliable indication from a lender that you qualify for a particular loan. The lender will verify your tax returns, bank statements, and pay stubs and is committing to lending you a specific amount subject to certain contingencies. When you make an offer, submitting a pre-approval letter shows the seller that you're a serious, credible buyer who can secure the financing to close the deal. Once your finances are lined up and your offer is competitive, it's time to focus on what really matters long-term, the location, not just the house itself, and we're going to get into that next. Number 4, house or location. What matters more when you buy? You've probably heard the saying that the 3 most important things in real estate are location, location, and location. And this is true. More than any other factor, location determines the value of real estate and is unchangeable. You can always update a kitchen, change paint colors, or replace flooring, but you can't change your commute time, your school district, or any other location-specific characteristics. My advice is to always prioritize the long-term advantages of the location. You have to be happy with the neighborhood, the commute, and the local amenities. I actually walk you through how to pick the right neighborhood step by step in another video. You'll see it pop up on a card at the end of this one. After finding the right location and the perfect house, the home inspection becomes your tool to protect your investment and negotiate more attractive terms and pricing. Number 5, turn your inspection report into a powerful negotiation tool. The home inspection is not just a pass-fail test. The inspector's job is to create a comprehensive report on the home's condition. They will find issues, even in new construction. Your job is to use that report to make an informed decision. Don't be concerned with minor cosmetic fixes. There'll be a lot of those. Focus on major systems, the roof, the foundation, the HVAC, and electrical and plumbing. If a major component is at the end of its useful life, the inspection report gives you a powerful objective tool to go back to the seller and negotiate for replacement or credit at closing. And finally, success depends on having the right team. Your agent and lender guide you through every step to turn all of this planning into a smooth, successful purchase. Number 6, choosing your real estate professionals. Your home purchase will be significantly smoother when you work with the right real estate professionals. Start with an expert buyer's agent who's a full-time professional and knows your target neighborhood inside and out. Pair that with a responsive mortgage broker or lender someone who can quickly provide updated pre-approval letters or answer questions in a competitive market. These professionals act as your advocates, guiding you through the process and helping you to make informed decisions. So to recap, buying a home isn't just about finding the right house. It's about understanding your full costs, knowing your financing options, getting pre-approved, prioritizing the location, leveraging the inspection, and working with the right professionals. What's your biggest question about buying your first home? Leave it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical home buying tips, and check out our next video, the 5 real costs of waiting to buy a home, to determine whether you should buy now or wait. New videos for first-time homebuyers go live every Friday at 5 p.m. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.